Well, we are expecting to hear from Alberta's health minister and the new interim chief medical officer of health this morning as cases of measles surge past 200 in the province. Teri Fikowski is live outside the Santa Med clinic in the northeast. And Teri, there is an exposure warning for that clinic.
Jefferson, Alberta Health says a person infected with measles visited the clinic last week on April 29th and is warning anyone who was here at the time is at risk and should self-monitor. Now, these public health alerts are becoming more and more frequent as we see more and more cases of the highly contagious viral infection spreading in Alberta. Taking a look at those case counts, there are now 210 cases of measles reported province-wide. That's up 17 from Friday. The majority are here in the South Zone, including 2 new cases in Calgary for a total of 7 across the city. In addition to this clinic, anyone who visited the Alberta Precision Lab in Sunridge on the 29th or the Lucky Supermarket in the Southeast on the 27th is at risk of exposure. 85% of those with measles in Alberta are people under 17 years of age. The province has faced criticism over its handling of the rising cases and Alberta's low vaccination rates. But on her radio show Saturday, the Premier said the government is taking action.
We are commencing a broader advertising campaign to make sure people know all of the information, know how serious it is. It can cause death. There's a couple of kids who died in Texas. It can cause blindness. It can cause deafness with the secondary infections.
Alberta's former Chief Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Mark Joffrey, resigned last month at the end of his contract, so we are expecting to hear from the new interim chief for the first time today, Dr. Sunil Sukram, who will be joined by Health Minister Adriana LaGrange for a news conference at 9 o'clock this morning, so right away here. And Jefferson, anyone born after 1970 who hasn't had 2 doses of the measles vaccine is considered at risk. If you're unsure about your child or your vaccination status, you can call HealthLink at 811.
Okay, thanks, Teri.